Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join me for more exciting tutorials and tech insights. Today, we're diving into ZEGOCLOUD, a top-tier platform offering real-time audio and video SDKs and more. If you've ever wanted to create your very own video call app, this is the perfect place to start. I'll walk you through how to use their incredible call kit to build a fully functional video call app in just a few simple steps. If you're a developer, or even just someone exploring ways to add high-quality video and voice calling to your app with low-code solutions, make integration quick and effortless. Their pre-built UI kits take care of the heavy lifting, saving you time and effort. With 21+ years of experience, they're trusted by developers across 200+ countries. Whether you're building for personal use or professional deployment, ZEGOCLOUD has you covered with a seamless and robust platform. In this video, I'll guide you step by step as we get started with ZEGOCLOUD, setting up your account and exploring the tools. Dive into their features and understand what makes their call kit a standout solution. Build a fully functional video call app from scratch, ready to customize and use however you like. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a complete, working app and the skills to tweak it to your specific needs. Don't miss this, stick around until the end of the video because I'll be sharing a way to get 10,000 free minutes so you can test and experience ZEGOCLOUD firsthand. Before we start building our video call application, I'll first take you through the ZEGOCLOUD website to give you a better understanding of their platform and features. Now that you've created your account, you'll be greeted by the ZEGOCLOUD dashboard. Since I already have an account, let me walk you through the process. Create a new project, click on the Create New Project button. You'll see several options like voice and video calls, video conferencing, live streaming, and much more. Choose the option that suits your needs. I'm selecting voice and video call. After that, give your project a name. Once you've named your project, you're ready to move forward. Explore UI kit options next. You can start with ZEGOCLOUD's UI kit. This is a fantastic tool because it provides a lot of low-code solutions that are easy to use. Whether you're developing for Android, iOS, web, React Native, or more, the platform supports multiple frameworks. Here you can see the app ID, app sign, and service secret, which we'll use in our code. Install the SDK package. To begin coding, you need to install the ZEGOCLOUD SDK package in your project. On the dashboard, you'll find setup instructions for popular frameworks like Angular, React, Vue. Since I'm using Vue, I'll copy the code snippet provided and paste it into my VS Code. Now let's move forward with setting up our code to make everything work smoothly. Setting up the code first, I'll make some adjustments to the code. I'll create a button for starting the video call. When the user clicks this button, the call will start automatically. Next, I'll remove a function that's not needed anymore to keep the code clean and simple. Now adjusting functions, I'll copy the random ID function and paste it inside the method section of the code, along with the start call function. This ensures our call-related logic stays organized. Additionally, I'll remove the mounted function, as it's no longer necessary for this setup. I'll also move some parts of the code to the appropriate places for better readability and functionality. And now adding your app ID and server secret key. Now, I'll update the code to include your app ID and server secret key. Note: ensure that the server secret key is entered as a string. Now testing the application. Now let's check our application. As we test it, we face a small error. Let's resolve this together. We just need to change this line of code and update it to fix the issue. changes, I'll save the file and click the Start Call button again now. As you can see, the video call box has opened successfully. You can also share this link with your friends for a seamless video call experience. To test further, I'll copy the link and open it in an incognito window. For this demonstration, I've turned off my camera, but you can choose to keep yours on or off, completely up to you, and there you have it. The video call has started, and everything is working perfectly. Additionally, you can also send messages or explore even more features. ZEGOCLOUD provides you with other UI kits specifically designed for messaging, so you can choose the one that fits your project needs. But here's the exciting part: even within the video calling feature, you can send messages during the call. How cool is that? You get both real-time video calling and messaging in one seamless experience. This makes ZEGOCLOUD a powerful and versatile solution for your projects. Now, let's discuss how we can implement the video calling feature in React Native. ZEGOCLOUD makes it incredibly easy to integrate video calling into your app with their low-code solutions and pre-built UI kits. It's extremely time-efficient and requires only a short amount of code to implement. You can sign up on the platform and test the video call feature immediately. ZEGOCLOUD offers flexible UI components that are highly customizable. You can choose from a variety of frameworks, including Flutter, Native, or iOS, depending on your needs. They support features like one-on-one calls, group calls, video conferences, live streaming, and more. You can explore all the UI kits available in ZEGOCLOUD, which makes integration even easier. Additionally, by creating an account, you get 10,000 free minutes to try out the platform. Now, let's discuss how to implement video calling in React Native. First, go back to the ZEGOCLOUD dashboard and create your project, just like we did earlier for Vue. Create your project, click on Create New Project, and again select Voice and Video Call, or any other option you prefer. Then, click Next. After that, you'll be asked to provide your project name. Enter your project name and click on Start with UI Kits. Your project will be created in just a few seconds. Now, select React Native as your platform and save your project. Get your app ID and secret key. Once your project is ready, you'll see your app ID and secret key. Keep these handy, as you'll need them for your code. To understand how to implement video calling in React Native, ZEGOCLOUD provides a comprehensive official documentation. Make sure to check that out for more in-depth guidance. Install the SDK. Before jumping into coding, you need to run the SDK installation command to add the necessary dependencies to your React Native project. Once the dependencies are installed, you're ready to go. Implement the code. Here's the best part: Now, let's break it down step by step for easier understanding. Create a new React Native project. Start by creating a new React Native project. Once your project is set up, move on to the next step. Install ZEGOCLOUD SDK package. Next, you need to install the important ZEGOCLOUD SDK package in your project. As I mentioned earlier, I've already installed it, but write the code in app.jsx now. Add a small, short code snippet to your app.jsx file. This is the core part where you'll integrate the video call functionality. You can check out GitHub for more examples if you need guidance. It's super easy and straightforward. Configure Android and iOS X. Once your code is ready, issues with dependencies, don't worry. Simply go to your Android directory and run the following command. This should resolve most of the issues you might run into. And that's it. You've successfully integrated ZEGOCLOUD's video calling into your React Native app. Alright, so now you've seen how easy it is to create a video call app using ZEGOCLOUD's call kit. We've gone through every step, from setting up our project, installing the ZEGOCLOUD SDK, to configuring the app and testing the video call feature. With ZEGOCLOUD's low-code UI components and powerful SDK, building a video call app has never been easier. Now, you can get started with ZEGOCLOUD yourself. Don't forget, by registering on ZEGOCLOUD, you'll receive 10,000 free minutes to help kickstart your development. For more details, including the full documentation, all the links and resources are in the description below. And for those of you who want to check out the full source code for this project, I've uploaded it to GitHub, so feel free to explore, push, and customize it for your own use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!